for your shorty. It's just me, I'm trying to start a party. Say my love for you.
Hey guys, it's Tori. Welcome back to my channel. Two things. One, don't mind that my hand's a little shaky. I didn't have the patience to put my phone on a tripod just for an intro. And two, I know my hair is crazy, but I am currently having an allergic reaction, which is why I'm not at school right now. And I didn't feel like doing my hair since I did my makeup. But today is going to be my 2020 makeup collection. That's crazy, it's 2020. But I'm just gonna show you my makeup collection. It's way bigger than last year and my setup is so different, especially since I moved. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my face. I'm also not trying to brag, so don't think I am. I spend all of my own money on makeup, or I get it for Christmas gifts, or I get like Christmas or birthday money and then use that on makeup. So I hope you guys enjoy and let's get started. So this is my makeup collection. I definitely have a lot of makeup. It's definitely grown since I filmed this last year, but let's just dive right on in. Don't mind me in the mirror, but this is my vanity. Those lights up there are from Amazon. All of the little decor above it is from Marshall's. The mirror, I don't know where that's from. And then the wood plank, which is my desk, is from Lowe's. My chair and the rug is from Walmart. And then you just have these little things on top. So that little container with all of my everyday brushes is from Walmart. The candle is from Marshall's. This is a palette my friend made me for my birthday. It's so cute. This little container with all of my clean eye brushes is from Amazon. And then this is just a mason jar and a little plant that I got from Dollar General. And in this mason jar is all of my dirty or used eye brushes. This is the start of my actual makeup collection. I just have a little acrylic drawer set that is from Marshall's, another one of those Walmart brush holders. And then I have a little jewelry thing on top from Marshall's, a candle, another plant, and then my Jaclyn Hill lipstick in the shade Nude AF. I just think it's very beautiful, so I have it on display. I have the Anastasia Dewy Set setting spray, the box to the Sweet Talk palette by ColourPop, and my glasses. So in these drawers up here, I just have hair things, beauty blenders. Then in this first drawer, I have my current favorite foundations and concealers, and then some like random lashes. So right now I'm loving the ABH Luminous Foundation and the Fenty Pro Filter Foundation. And then I also have the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Hydrate Concealer. In the next drawer, I just have my powder products. So I have the Benefit Cookie Highlighter, the new Anastasia powder, the Jaclyn Hill Extra Loose Highlighter, a ColourPop bronzer, and then my ABH Blush Trio drawer. I just have eye products. So I have MAC Paint Pot, the Anastasia eyeliner, the Anastasia eye base, the Makeup Revolution eye base, e.l.f. Wow Brow, e.l.f. Clear Brow Gel, lip stuff, a NYX brow pencil, my favorite mascara, which is the L'Oreal Telescopic, lash glue, just all of that stuff. And then in this bottom drawer is just like random. There's Carmex, Q-tips, chapstick, eyelash curler, tweezers, just the random things. These drawer sets, these are from Amazon, and these little containers are also from Amazon. I have primers and setting sprays. So in the back I have a like glow mist, and I also have this Too Faced setting spray. I have a Wet n Wild setting spray, Morphe Continuous, Milani Make It Dewy, MAC. What is this? Oh, the Fix Plus, the Urban Decay Chill, Nivea Men Post Shave Balm, a mini Cover FX setting spray, I Heart Revolution Fixing Spray, Too Faced Hangover RX, And then I have primers. So there's Maybelline, Catrice, NYX, Wet n Wild, Makeup Revolution, Too Faced, Touch in Soul, Cover FX, Dr. Brandt, Pores No More. I love setting sprays and primers, as you can see. This next drawer is foundations, powders, and concealers. For foundation, I have ColourPop Pretty Fresh, Makeup Revolution foundation sticks, the e.l.f. Flawless Finish, the Milani foundation. I have Estee Lauder, Too Faced, Maybelline, L'Oreal, Burt's Bees, more Maybelline. For powders, I have Cover FX, Maybelline Fit Me, It Cosmetics, Airspun, Rimmel. And then for concealers, I have Tarte, Shape Tape, Too Faced Born This Way, a NYX one, a new ColourPop Pro Filter because I ran out of my other one, and then there's the e.l.f. Camo Concealer in there. This is my blush and bronzer drawer. So in this one are my blushes. I have the Flower, I think this is the shade, from Becca. I have a bunch of Wet n Wild, Pixie, Milani Luminoso, Catrice, Ulta Beauty. This is my favorite blush. It is in the shade Honey Bunny. Maybelline, Tarte. I don't know what that brand is, but just a bunch of blushes. Then here are my bronzers. I have the Kylie Tequila Tan, the e.l.f. Bronze Palette, L'Oreal Glam Bronze, Too Faced Chocolate Soleil, Tarte Park Ave Princess, number 7 Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. And here are just some face palettes. This is a cream contour palette, a Makeup Revolution blush palette, the Morphe 8L palette, this random contour palette, and then an Ofra Pro palette. This next drawer is my highlighters. I have palettes in the back, or my bigger highlighters like off to the side, and then all my smaller ones in this container. So I have the Beauty Bay Living My Best Light Delicate palette, the Anastasia Glow Kit and Sun Dipped, and a ColourPop highlight palette on the bottom. I have a Jeffree Star highlighter, a ColourPop / Soul Body highlighter in Platinum, Makeup Revolution, I think this is White Chocolate highlight palette, oh, the Rose Gold Glow, and then obviously the Sleek Makeup Solstice palette. And then right here I have Kylie Cosmetics Ice Me Out. This is one of my favorite highlighters. You guys know I love this. I have Ofra Glazed Donut. I also love this. Pixie Beauty Glowy Glossimer Duo and Subtle Sunrise. I also love this. I have a ColourPop highlighter right here. I have this Ofra highlighter in Moondance. Another Ofra highlighter, a Milani. This highlighter from my friend, Nature Lashes Goddess loose highlighter. Maybelline Chrome highlighter. Wet n Wild, ColourPop, Becca Champagne Pop, House of Sparkles UK Fallen Angel, more ColourPop, a Lancome highlighter, this Laura Geller highlighter in Peach Glow, an e.l.f. highlighter, the ABH loose highlighter in Snowflake, and then this ColourPop Strobe Globe in Luster Dust. This drawer I have all of my eye products. So over here I have liquid liners, NYX jumbo pencils, Urban Decay eyeliners, just a bunch of eyeliner. Here I have a backup of my clear brow gel from e.l.f. and a bunch of Maybelline mascaras. These are literally all Maybelline. And then I have I don't remember the brand, but I have some loose pigments. I have Urban Decay Heavy Metal Glitter Liner, some Maybelline Chromes, an e.l.f. Chrome, stick glue, a Maybelline eye primer, face paint, some single ColourPop shadows, all of my potted brow products. These are from Maybelline. This one is from Milani, and then I have some like single eyeshadows. And then right here is the most beautiful part of all, is my glitters. I have NYX, a ton from Glitter My World, BH Cosmetics, and then a lot of my glitters are from House of Sparkles UK. They're my favorite place to get glitter from. And I try and keep them color coordinated, but it's a little messed up. They're literally like 2 rows deep of glitters. If you can see that. I have so many, but they're so beautiful. Next we have the start of my palettes. So I have Alyssa Edwards by ABH, the ABH Soft Glam, and the ABH Modern Renaissance. I have the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette on the bottom. Then the 35M, I think, by Morphe. The Violet Voss Holy Grail, ColourPop Sweet Talk. I have the Kylie Bronze palette, the ABH Norvina Volume 1 and Volume 2, and then on the very bottom, if I can get these out, I have the Beauty Bay EYN Brights palette. Next drawer is my less used or less expensive palettes. So I have this one from Skettit Beauty in Lucid and Obscured. I have the Juvia's Place Mascara, no, the Magic Mini. I have Dream Street from ColourPop. I'm so sorry I cannot talk today. And then the QAF palette. I have the Daisy Marquez and BH Cosmetics palette, my paint palette, this little random palette I got from a company, an empty ABH single shadow palette. I have the Maybelline Lemonade Craze palette, the Tarte Maneater palette, Urban Decay Born to Run. This palette's gorgeous, but I literally don't ever use it. The Chronic palette from Badass Cosmetics, the BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil, and then another Morphe palette. The next drawer is lashes. I have way too many lashes, but I have some Kiss lashes, Ardell, Tarte, Badass Cosmetics. These are from AliExpress. Eylure, Broadway, Lily lashes, Dodo lashes, and then all of these are from Skettit Beauty. I have House of Sparkles UK lashes, and then I also have Boss Lash Company lashes. This next drawer is all my lip products, and they literally go all the way back. I have all my colorful ones back here. All of these are glosses I got sent from Maybelline. These two are my nudes. These are my not as used nude lips, and then these are my most used and my favorites. I have brands like Milani, this is a gloss, Maybelline, Kaylin, Rimmel, Too Faced, L'Oreal, ABH, Maybelline, NYX, Wet n Wild, ColourPop, Jeffree Star, e.l.f., CoverGirl, more Maybelline, Makeup Revolution. I have a unique lip pencil, Rimmel lip pencils. There's a lot. And then here I have a couple of the ColourPop So Juicy glosses, Maybelline Baddest Beige lipstick, MAC Velvet Teddy, a couple of NYX lip pencils, a ColourPop lip pencil, Morphe glosses, oh no, NYX like the soft matte lip creams, more Anastasia liquid lipsticks. I have Anastasia glosses. There's just a lot going on in this drawer. This very last drawer, I just have my client brushes and sponges. So I have a ton of extra sponges, and then these are mostly eye brushes, but there's just like 2 face brushes that don't fit up top with my other client brushes. But I just keep all of those in here so I don't ever use them, and that they're just specific for my clients. And now onto my other set of drawers. This is all my hair care and skincare products. So I have a little mini fridge for my skincare. I got this for Christmas from one of my best friends. And here I have Mario Badescu sprays, an e.l.f. post-workout spray, which is so good. It makes you look so dewy. I totally recommend it. And then all of my sheet masks, because I don't know, I love this. It's so cute. I have a candle from Bath and Body Works and just a little Sephora bag, just because it's like really cute, and I don't know, I love it. And then the first drawer, we have all of my cleansers, lotions, my Curology. So I just have brands like The Body Shop, Pixie, e.l.f., an off-brand. I have Formula 10.0.6, a scrub, a Neox, it's like a gel cream, more e.l.f. and Pixie. This is the spray I was saying. I have a backup of it. I have acne scar cream, just all that kind of stuff. Next, I have makeup wipes and more face masks. These are all mud masks. So I have some from the Ulta brand, Pixie. I don't know what this brand is. And then I have multiple from the Formula brand. And then I have a bunch of makeup wipes. This is all hair care and hair products. So I have like stuff for my curls, dry shampoo, like hairspray and leave-in conditioners, stuff like that. Here I have all my hair tools. So I have a straightener and 2 curling irons. I don't have anything in these 5 drawers because I just set this up, and I just wanted it for when my makeup collection does expand. But then in the very bottom drawer, so it's like separated, I have all of my nail tech stuff. So I have a ton of nails in here. I have 3 packs of nails. I have nail glue, nail cutters, an extra pair of tweezers, and all of my nail polishes. So that is my whole makeup collection. I hope you guys enjoyed. I know it's definitely a lot, but I love makeup and skincare. It's my life. Like, it's what I want to do as a job. I do it on social media, so I do buy and have a lot of makeup for being a 16-year-old, but I appreciate it and I love all of it so much. I just love makeup. But that is everything for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my face. We are so close to 1K. It's crazy. So let's try and get there. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. I love you all so much, and I will see you guys next time. Bye, guys.